Hi guys, welcome back. In this video we're just gonna do a quick finishing touch and add a wiring notch for the attachment piece that the cable will run through from your motor. So let's get started. First thing we're gonna need is a line. I should not have done that. Make sure you make a new body. And we're just gonna extrude it all the way through. Cut. Delete. That's it. Just to show you the finished product and what's going to happen. So when you mount the Outrunner inside of here, there's a soldering pad where you solder your wires on, right on it. You'll be in about that location. So you could be on the other side, about 180 degrees over, or be in that location. Actually, every 90 degrees, depending on which way you're oriented, because of the position of the screws. But I found this to be the perfect place. But you can make it anywhere else. If you have any other questions, please let me know. But as for now, this design, this portion of the series is finished. Thank you.